everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guarantee RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you through a 2016 V3. Let's start off on the inside and we'll finish up going over the exterior. Follow me. What a great little tent trailer. Up front, we've got a large front bed, big bed in the back, dinette here. It's made down into the sleeping area right now, so you could sleep a lot of folks in this one. Here we've got our 3-burner stove. Our sink with hot and cold running water. Okay, so across from the stove and the sink, we've got our couch here. As we move to the front, you can see one of the things that makes this trailer so unique is we've got our toilet and shower. Not a lot of tent trailers have that. When you open up the canvas, you can see almost 360 degrees around this trailer. Windows and screens all the way throughout it, so you can get a lot of nice airflow in here. Let's go on the outside and touch real quickly on some of the features out there. So you can see this tent trailer, it's got a little more height than some of the other ones. We've got bigger tires and we also have a storage rack in the front. That's a 4x8 storage rack, so we can get quads or a quad or maybe some small motorcycles or just bikes, coolers, wood, stuff like that in that front rack. It's very, very handy to have. We do have a bag awning on this trailer. Some storage here. Goes below that gaucho bed. You can get to it from the inside or the outside, so that's convenient. Let's move around the back here. We've got a full-size spare tire, and we've also got rear stabilizer jacks here in the back, which are very handy. As we move around, you can see here's the slide in the trailer. We've also got our access panels for the back of the fridge here. High pressure sprayer, very convenient for cleaning off the toys that you might be carrying in the front rack. Also great for just cleaning off your shoes and other stuff. Water heater here. This is your 30 amp power cord. Just stows away just like that. Cable satellite. And this is the gray water dump here. So the trick with this is you want to catch this gray water in a basin or some kind of bucket. Take it over to the dump station and take care of it properly. Okay, as we move to the front, we can get a good look at this storage rack here. It's got tie downs in it. What a handy, convenient thing to have in a tent trailer. So I want to thank you for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.